Using Array.map to iterate object keys in nested arrays. Accessing object keys inside arrays with Array.map in JavaScript. When working with arrays of objects in Node.js, for example, when receiving data in req.body, you might want to process each object and access all its keys dynamically. This is common for preparing database queries or transforming data. The problem. Standard usage of Array.map provides the item and its index in the array, but doesn't directly iterate over the keys inside each object. You want a concise way to iterate over each key value pair inside every element without manually coding each key. For example, with data like you want to iterate each object and access keys like tyid, dynamically, order, and size programmatically. The solution: combine Array.map with object key iteration. JavaScript lets you get all keys of an object with object.keys or reflect.ownKeys for symbols as well. Combining this with .map, you can iterate over each row and then each key inside that row. Example code. Explanation. .map traverses each object in the array. For each object, object.keys retrieves its keys. Use .forEach or a loop to process each key value pair inside the object. You still get all keys dynamically and can prepare variables or data structures accordingly. Why use this approach? Conciseness simplifies loops by avoiding manual declarations of variables for each key. Flexibility works with objects where keys might not be known up front. Clarity keeps data transformation inside .map, which fits functional programming style. Additional tips. If you expect asynchronous processing, example database queries with await, consider for of loops with async/await instead, since .map doesn't handle async well on its own. You can also use object.entries item to get both keys and values in one go. To build an object indexed by one of these keys, use object.fromEntries combined with .map. This creates an object where each key is dynamically and the value is the entire object. With this method, you can confidently use .map to access keys inside each element of your array and streamline your Node.js root handlers.